what's up guys? So I just thought I'd do an exhaust video since I keep getting questioned on it. I decided to go with the BruteFab muffler, which I guess is like the Fujitsubo muffler and kind of like the Z Story one. Now when I bought it, it was about $450, so it's still cheaper. I think it's still cheaper than the Z Story, and it's definitely cheaper than the Fujitsubo system. And since I have a 2+2, I used a 2.5 inch exhaust pipe from a 280ZX kit. So this is going all the way back from a 6-to-1 header, going into 2.5 inch pipe all the way to this muffler. So there's no resonator. I tried this setup with a resonator and there was just way too much drone. So I got rid of it, and I kind of like how it is now. I'll show you the muffler. This guy right here, so it's this one's 2.5 inch in, and then you can also get it with a 3-inch in, but no matter what, the exit pipes are always the same size. And the BruteFab makes all of these in-house himself. They're all pretty much made to order. You can see his little insignia right there, kind of, maybe. But it's a really nice piece. I did have to make a custom bracket to hang it. These are all kind of, you know, you make it fit yourself. But I don't know if you can see my headers. They're just normal 6-to-1 headers down there. I have them all wrapped up right now. Go back to a collector pipe, but I really like the sound of it. It's not really too droney when you're riding around in it. You still hear it, of course. I mean, it's pretty much a straight pipe, straight 6 with almost no baffling in the pipes. I'll show you in the pipes, but it's like it's straight through. I'll probably link my first impression and unboxing video from when I first got that muffler. But yeah, I'm gonna do some drive-bys and some ride-alongs with the camera, and maybe do a GoPro video too. system, so I have all my data right here too on my little screen. But yeah, I can cruise like this. There's a little bit of drone, but it's still pretty reasonable. I mean, you can talk to somebody. This is also all with the windows down. Windows down kind of guy. Big truck. Drop down into fourth gear and it's pretty quiet. A little bit of drone going slower, but it's not bad. Cruising at like 55, it's not bad. Roads are a little shitty. That tanker truck gave that cyclist way more room than I would have. Thought about it.
That is bad.
That thing, it sounds insane.
Yeah.
Going like 65 miles an hour, 60, you don't really get drone. You're probably hearing wind noise right now, but the drone is not bad at all. Not that it really matters in a car like this. Yeah, at the speed limit almost.
Yeah. Yeah.
And now it idles fine, you see?
Nice.
If you don't beat on your shit, it won't idle good.
That was good. I finally got it to idle, so here's the idle video. You see it's pretty quiet at idle though. And then fuel injection, so no carburetor sounds.
I wasn't expecting that.
Me neither. My foot just slipped off the clutch.
Your foot's just opposite of my foot.
my foot slipped, officer. Can I trade this in for a new Z? Can I trade this in for a new Z?
Yeah. What do you want for it?
What would you give me?
Advice?
Yeah.
Probably some advice.
Yeah, advice for sure.
Yeah. There's a new one in there if you want to take a look at it.
What color is it?
It's white.
It's white? Okay. Is it a sport package?
Yeah.
It is? Nice.
Yeah.
Manual?
It's, yeah.
Not sure.
No,
Okay.
yeah, it's manual.
Okay.
Yeah, it's
Nice.
New Z.
Take a look at it. It's fine.
I'll think about it. Thank you. Miata. Driving through the hood in my classic JDM. Thanks!
I got a joint? I wish. Sorry, dude. Yeah. I wish.
No, we're too broke.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, nice. Yeah, this one's a 280. Is it bad that guy's homeless and he had a Z car also? What's his foretelling? Alright, so I think that is all the clips I'm gonna get. I was gonna try to get some GoPro footage, but apparently I forgot one of those little screws that you put in the side, but that doesn't matter. GoPro
quality sound isn't really there. So, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or want to see more pictures of the exhaust, just let me know on Instagram. I'll have my link down below. It's Pacific Racer. I put all my links below. But yeah, if you enjoyed this, give the video a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe. Check out some of my other stuff and let me know if there's anything else you want to see. Peace.